Hello and welcome back to my channel Food and Bake. Today I make a simple recipe. Chocolate lava cake. Let's start the recipe. I start to coat the Ramekins with butter. After butter, I put the flour. I turn it around the ramekin. And this process I'm doing to prevent that after I bake the chocolate lava cake will not stuck and will be easy to remove. And I remove the extra flour. I cut the chocolate small pieces. I add the butter and I make Bain-Marie to melt the chocolate with butter. Ready? I leave aside the chocolate. I start with the eggs. Two whole eggs and 2 egg yolks. Sugar. Mix the eggs and sugar together. Now I mix the chocolate with the batter. And now I put the flour and I just mix it, not over mixing. Ready? I transfer the mix in the Ramekins. I bake at 200 degrees for about 8 to 10 minutes. Ready baked. I will transfer the lava cake. Put some berries. I dust with powdered sugar. And now is the result. And now it's time to taste. Good, very good. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, make like and comment below. See you in the next video.